Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today, let's learn about active and passive voice. See, we'll take an example. Radha sings a song. Radha sings a song. See, Radha is subject here and sings verb. A song is object. See, when the subject is active, it is known as active voice. When the subject is passive, it is known as passive voice. So, today let's learn how to convert from active to passive, passive to active. Okay. So, let's take an example. Simple present tense. She sings a song. It is simple present tense. She is subject, sings verb, and a song is object. So, how do we convert it into passive form? Passive voice. A song is sung by her. See, here, since it is simple present tense, we write is here. So the next is she, simple past tense. She sang, same example we'll take. She sang a song. See, here sang is simple past tense. So a song is sung by her. Okay. A song is, sorry, is not. It is past tense. A song was sung by her. Okay, understood? When it is, she sang a song. Sang is past tense. So a song was sung by her. So next comes to present continuous tense. See, present continuous tense. He is climbing a cliff. He is climbing a cliff. This is, he is the subject, is climbing verb, a cliff is the object. See here, when ing comes in passive form, when ing comes, remember, in passive voice, being will come. Okay? A cliff, a cliff is being climbed by him. See here, when ing comes, being will come. So a cliff is being climbed by him. Suppose past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, he was climbing a cliff. He was climbing a cliff. So here, past continuous tense. A cliff was being, a cliff was being climbed by him. By him. So he is climbing a cliff. A cliff is being climbed by him. When ing comes, being will come. He was climbing a cliff. A cliff was being climbed by him. Okay, understood? Now let's go to present perfect tense. He has written many stories. He has written many stories. Here, he is the subject, has written is present perfect tense. Many stories is the object. So when has, have, has, had in passive form, been will come. See, remember, have, has, had, been. So many stories has been written by him. So what is the passive voice? Many stories. Sorry, here many stories have been plural. Many stories have been written by him. Okay. Many stories have been written by him. When have, has, had, been will come. So let's see now past perfect tense. He had drawn a picture. Very good. He had drawn a picture. Past perfect tense. Okay. So a picture had been drawn by him. So when have, has, had, been will come. He had drawn a picture. A picture had been drawn by him. Okay. Now let's see future tense. He will, I'll write in big letters. He will draw a picture. Okay, he will draw a picture. Got it? So, for all the will, shall, all modal auxiliaries, can, would, could, many are there. Should. For all these things, be will come. Be. Okay. He will draw a picture. A picture will be drawn by him. Simple. A picture will be drawn by him. Simple. Okay. See, he will draw a picture. Active voice. This is in active voice. A picture will be drawn by him. Passive voice. Okay. Understood? Got it? Very good. Then next. Next, let's go to imperative sentences. Okay. Close the door. Close the door. It's an order. Close the door. So for this passive form, let the door be closed. Let the door be closed. Okay. This is in active voice, passive voice. Close the door. Let the door be closed. Shut the door. Let the door be shut. Okay. See, now here, when request is there, what do we? Please close the door. Difference you will see the difference. Please close the door. So when it is like this in active voice, please close the door. You are requested to close the door. You are requested to close the door. Okay, understood? Got it? Very nice. See, please close the door. You are requested to close the door. See, simple close the door is there. Let the door be closed. Shut the door. Let the door be shut. Please shut the door. You are requested to shut the door. Close the door. You are requested to close the door. Got it? Now, when it is a negative sentence, imperative, don't do that. Don't do that. See, don't do that. You are asked not to do that. You are asked not to do that. Don't do that. Active voice. You are asked not to do that. Okay? You are asked not to do that. So, when the request is there, how do we do it? Please don't do it. Don't do that. Please don't do that. We'll say. When the request is there, you are requested not to do that. Understood? Got it? Very good. See, please don't do that. Active voice. And you are requested not to do that. Passive voice. Good. Now let's go to questions. Interrogative sentences. How are we going to do? Okay, fine. Who broke the jug? Who broke the jug? See, you remember one thing here. In active and passive, if it is in the question form, you have to write in question form only, in passive voice also. This is active voice. Who broke the jug? Broke is past tense. By whom? By whom? Broke is past tense. That's why by whom was the jug broken? Who broke the jug? By whom was the jug broken? Passive voice. Understood? This is the question when comes. Who broke the jug? Who brought sweets? By whom were the sweets brought? So like that we will when question is there. So what else next? Next direct. Next comes to why did you do that? Why did you do that? So it is also in question. Why did you do that? Did is past tense. Why was that done by you? Why was that done by you? Why was that why was that done by you? And question. Okay? Why did you do that? Why was that done by you? So this is how active and passive forms from active voice to passive voice we will change. Okay.